What's up, everybody? So I got a 2013 Honda Ridgeline today. Gonna show you how to reset the oil life on this. Pretty simple to do. Turn the key on, just don't start the car. Turn it to the on position. You'll come up, and that'll come up if you're due for service. If that doesn't come up right away, you can hit the select button and it'll go through and it'll bring it up that way. Once you're at that screen where the oil life is, service A, and it's flashing at you, or maybe not, depending on how much oil life you got left, you're gonna push and hold down on the trip reset button, and you're gonna hold that for a little bit, and what it's gonna do is pop up with a different screen in just a second. So just continue to hold it. Okay, and now it's gonna start flashing. So once that starts flashing, you'll go ahead and hold down on the trip reset button again, and it's gonna show a reset on the oil. So a little ding, and oil life went to 100, and your oil life is all reset. You can let go of the button, shut off the car, and start it up.